In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add emergency contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first stop, head over to Phone app and then get into Contacts. Once you've done that, just search for a contact you want to add as an emergency contact. You can use search to search for some specific contact, and once you find one, just tap on it, and all you have to do now is just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Add to Emergency Contacts. Just tap on it, and on the next step select the relationship with that contact. Let's say that is my son. I can tap at son and we'll be taken to medical ID edit page where we can scroll down and edit our emergency contacts. We can let's say remove some contact from here by hitting at that minus sign, or from here we can add another emergency contact simply by tapping at that plus sign. Once you've done with that, don't forget to hit at done. And also, in any time you can remove a contact from an emergency contacts simply by hitting at remove from emergency contacts. Just like that. Now you know how you can easily add and remove emergency contacts on your iPhone. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.